Today we are going to learn sure, ture and chur ending with sound. Sure makes the sound of when pronounced independently. When sure is added at the end of any word, it makes the sound of jar. Example: treasure, treasure. Tual makes the sound of tual. Example: ritual, ritual. Now let us see sure and sure other words. Pleasure, treasure, leisure, measure, actual, ritual, mutual. Now next, chur sound. FUR in furniture sound like a fur. NI in furniture sounds like a knee. And TURE make the sound of chur. Example: FURNITURE, furniture. Now let us see other words. Ventures, adventures, nomenclatures, furnitures, nature, picture, creature, feature, and vulture. Thank you.